All right, guys, we are in 1502 with the one-bedroom Grand Floridian Villa. Let me show you. All right, so you walk in the room, and off to the side here, there's an adjoining room, but this little cubby here is where we're just gonna stick the stroller. When you walk into the room, you have this like buffet area where we're just gonna leave our masks here, our phones, everything like that. A really nice dining area, so this will come in great. And then we have the full kitchen. I'll do a wider shot too. It's a really roomy room. And then you have the TV, and I'm gonna have Josh model the pull-out bed.
I'm gonna model with my assistant.
Ooh, assistant.
Oh, I'm not gonna bring that all the way out, but you guys can see what's inside of there.
So that's a twin size bed there, under the TV.
Because nothing says sleep like watching TV.
And then this is a pull-out as well. And then there's even some ottomans. So then there's some art on the wall. We have like a nice little hidden Mickey with Dumbo and Timothy Rabbit, or Timothy Mouse, wow, on the plates. We have a Duffy the Bear portrait. And then I love these Mickey and Minnie silhouettes. We actually have a lake view, but then there is a master bedroom. I don't think that's a pull-out. I think that's just a regular chair. We have a king-size bed and a TV. And a silhouette of Mary and Bert. That's really cute. Before we go into the bathroom, we then have this super roomy walk-in closet. Super nice. And here's the bathroom. This is a gigantic bathtub. I love it. The mirror. And then the sink. And what I just found out, there's a TV in the mirror. I'm gonna turn that off. Then in the other part of the bathroom is this gigantic shower. It has a rainfall shower head, a bench. There's even a little cubby for your toiletries. Every hotel room has to have a toilet. And then another sink and mirror. And then you can even close this off, so if kids are sleeping on the other side, you can use the bathroom. Then this is a DVC room, so this is the washer and dryer. And another little closet with a hamper, in case you didn't want to use that. It's really nice. And then this is just the electrical box. But I do like that it's hidden behind a door. And then we're back to the front door. So that's our tour of a one-bedroom DVC villa at the Grand Floridian. This is room 1502, and it is a lake view.